Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So, what's the expected price of Polygon, my brother? We will talk about the Polygon price target in this video, and also we predicate this coin video technical analysis. And at the end of this video, my friend, I will share opinion, my brothers. We need to sell, we need to hold, or we need to buy. So this time, my brother, you can see your Polygon is completely on the trending, and you can see here just in last 1 hour they are lost. Otherwise, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occur will be positive now, and I am so happy to see this. Congratulations. The market rank, as you can see, my brother, 17, and market cap, as you can see, my brother, this time. So the market cap is 6 billion, 24-hour volume is 1 billion, circulating supply is 6 billion, max supply is 1 billion, distribution 6.03%. It's a very huge now. I am so happy to see this. Congratulations, my brother. Polygon is again going in the trending now. I know to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit now. So this time you can see lost 1 million, my brother. 1 month, my friend, chart is on the screen, and 11.01%, my friend, they are lost this in only, my friend, in last 1 month, and it's a very bad news, my friend. But definitely, my friend, after this point, as you can see, my brother, just a minute after this point, you can see they will completely moving in upward direction. So just only, my friend, that's all credit goes to my friend holder, especially short-term holder, because my brother, when a short-term investor, my friend, they are starting holding, so they will move upward. But if they are starting selling, so they will fail us down. So remember, my brothers, to before you take any decision, sell, hold, or buy, please remember, my brothers, to Polygon will move upward in upcoming days, but they will take a lot of time. So therefore, we need, my brothers, to hold it and wait for a good time. So thanks for watching, Polygon holder. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.